The rule of 11 can be used whenever there is a fourth highest lead. So typically in no trumps. If they did lead a fourth highest lead against a trump contract, it would work, but you don't really know that it is fourth highest to make it useful. And looking at the bidding, it tends to be more accurate when there is no suit bidding. If there is suit bidding, then the opponents may not be leading their longest suit, they may be leading an unbid suit from 3 cards, say. But when there's just no trump bidding, as we have here, it's very likely the lead will be fourth highest. It can be used by both the declarer and by righty, the leader's partner. And in this series, we're going to look mainly at declarer, because Handel is a declarer game, but in the fourth part, we will look at the defender as well. And how it works is you subtract the spot card, the 6th, fourth highest card, from 11. That tells you how many cards higher than the 6 there are in the remaining 3 hands. So if we subtract 6 from 11, we get 5. So you count up how many cards you can see higher than the 6. So there are 3 in dummy and 1 in hand. So it tells you that righty here has 1 card higher than the 6. Now it will always work, it won't always be useful. So if a 2 is led and you have 4 cards higher than the 2, it's not going to be that helpful. But it's particularly helpful for declarer when you have quite a lot of cards higher than the card led. So here righty, we're going to remember this, has 1 card, if it is fourth highest, which it is here, righty has 1 card higher than the 6. So making a plan in 3 no trumps, needing 9 tricks, teeing up, we have 1 trick in spades, 1 top trick. The ace king of hearts makes 3, ace of clubs 4, and the ace of diamonds 5. So we need to find 4 more tricks. And it's quite a loose selection, no great length, quite acey and spacey. So we're going to have to maximise our little cards here. So, righty has 1 card higher than the 6. Let's play low, don't rush in, and find out which one it is. It's the jack. So we win with the queen, and now we're remembering that there are no cards higher than the 6 to the right. So let's continue with the spade. And when lefty plays low, the 8 is all we need to win the trick. Not the 10, not the ace, but the 8. And righty shows out. Good news. So where else are we going for our extra tricks? The diamonds are our best shot. And we're in the good place to lead our first diamond. From weak to strong, a low diamond, a low one. Let's try the jack. If the king appears, no worries, at least we've made a trick with the queen. And we're in control of every suit. So whatever lefty returns, we're in good shape. And here, lefty returns the jack of clubs. Lefty may be leading for the king jack 10, or the jack 10 without the queen, or even a doubleton jack. Let's try the queen. Doesn't work, the king appears, and we're going to duck this one. We'll see the benefit of ducking later. And righty returns a club. Let's take the ace. And remembering what we know in the spade suit, let's lead a further spade. Lefty plays low, and we confidently play the 10. Good news. Let's take the ace. And we'll throw away a little heart. Diamonds we hope may become useful. And we're in good shape now. We have enough tricks for our contract. 5 in the bank. The ace and queen of diamonds are 2 tricks, and the ace and king of hearts 2 more. So 9 tricks in the bank. Highest from shortest in the diamonds. And the 10 falls. Good news. The 9 is now a top card equal to the ace, so we can take the 9 as a winner on its own. Cross back to our king of hearts. Grab the ace of diamonds. Our 9th trick is throw a club away. In fact, this gives righty a problem. If righty throws the club away, our 6 is a winner. If righty throws a heart away, then when we play 6 of hearts to the ace, both the jack and queen fall, and the 8 is a winner. In practice, righty in fact throws the 9 of clubs. Have we remembered to count the clubs? If we have, we can confidently catch the 6. And then a low heart to our ace brings in an 11th trick. Looking at the acy spacey hand we had, it's a good job we made all 4 of our spade tricks. So remember, playing no trumps, use the rule of 11, as long as it's 4th highest, to work out how many cards righty has that are higher than the card led. And this can help you make cheap tricks. Here, 4 spades in total.